In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the aspect ratio in CapCut on your PC. Whether you are editing for YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, getting the right frame size is the key. Let's jump right in. Import your video clips or photos. Now here you can see ratio. Click on it. Now choose your preferred aspect ratio. You'll see several preset options right here. Choose 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for TikTok or Reels, and 1:1 for Instagram post. Just click on the one that fits your project. Let me choose it for YouTube. Now after changing the ratio, you may need to reposition or scale your video to fit the new frame. Just click on the preview window and drag or resize the content to center it perfectly like this. And that's it. Changing the aspect ratio in CapCut is super quick and makes your content look just right for any platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe for more easy editing tips. Thank you for watching.